My name is Kerri. I've been a patient at Atlantic Spine Center since 2020. I've worked with Dr. K, Dr. Chang, and Dr. Bitan. They've all been very, very wonderful to work with, and I felt like they truly cared about my case. Essentially, it came down to me needing a cervical disc replacement in December of 2022, which has been 5 months now. I've had no complications. The surgery went well. I felt supported through it. And I feel totally fine today. So I'm grateful for them, and I'm grateful for their expertise and their support through this whole thing. If I knew it was gonna go as smoothly as it did, I would have made the decision a lot quicker. They were very supportive of why I was nervous, from everything from a superficial scar, thinking, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have this scar on my neck forever, to, of course, the extreme, the surgery itself. But if I had known it was gonna go as smoothly as it did, I would have went a lot sooner. Yeah. I was back to work within 4 weeks, and I would say maybe the first 2 weeks were the most difficult, but otherwise I bounced back.